Hey, what's up guys? It's Easy Glaze. Welcome to the channel. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got off of Amazon to extract the bolt. I had a broken bolt. I'll show you here. So the headpiece came off. I had it attached to my mower here. I put a new bolt here. I haven't tightened it up, but I had the bolt here. The head snapped off and it was stuck. I couldn't get it out with a pair of pliers, vice grips, or anything like that. So they have these bolt extractors. I guess this is the one I wind up using. Yeah, let's see. Sorry if the video is all over the place, but using one hand here. Anyway, comes with all these bits. First I tried with this one and it was just spinning. Then I put this one on and it was pretty snug. So I'll show you with this bit here. So it had to go through this side here. You can see how that's pretty, sorry, let's get that in view, pretty snug there. But anyway, it went on in, and at first it was just spinning a little bit, and then that bit just really caught it. The teeth gripped it, and it spun right out. So I'll leave the link in my Amazon. Man, I've never used one of these before, and I'm pretty impressed. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, like, comment, and subscribe, if you will. Peace.